Hi loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my top picks when it comes to this upcoming Sephora sale that we have going on right now. I normally don't really talk about any products that you need to purchase during sales, but this one in particular, I have so many products that I want to share with you guys so you guys can get your hands on them if you're interested or if you're looking to try some new hair products. But first things first, I do want to address the elephant in the room, which is me not posting consistently on YouTube. I literally said about 2 weeks ago that I was going to go live with a video on that upcoming Sunday. But the issue is that I've been filming content, and weirdly enough, when I go to my computer to edit, they've all had no audio. If it's a video like this where I'm talking to you guys, like, it is crucial to be able to hear what I'm saying because it's not like I'm demoing a wash and go. I do have about 2 product reviews that I filmed and edited and everything, and then when I got to some of the clips I realized that there was no sound. So anybody who's a creative can tell you how frustrating that is because we put so much time into creating content as a whole, and just sitting down and filming for hours and hours and then going back to edit and realizing that there is no audio is so upsetting. So I'm not gonna lie, it did frustrate me, and it made me feel like, okay, I need to take a step back right now because I don't want to refilm this and just be angry while I'm doing it. So I'm just like, I'm gonna let it just happen naturally. And I thought the sale was the perfect time to come back because I definitely miss being on YouTube and filming hair tutorials and talking about what's been going on in the curly space and all of that. But I am going to be making a conscious effort to be posting more. I do have a vlogging camera. I have been vlogging. I will put together a video if you guys are interested in seeing what the last few weeks have looked like. I do have some footage in my camera, so if you guys want to see all of that, I'm happy to put it together. Let me know down below if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, let's get right into this video and talk a little bit about this upcoming Sephora sale. I did end up putting all of the products that I use and love in my cart. I'm just going to be making my way through them. So first on the list is the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. Now, I filmed a video, I want to say about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, where I was sharing with you guys one of the best defined wash and goes I've done in a really long time. First of all, it's the method, but also products make a huge difference as well. And this product adds so much moisture to my hair, and my curls really, really love it. Now, that is a product that cannot stand alone in my routine. I cannot use that alone unless I'm like braiding my hair up or something. But if I was to just style my hair with that product, it would not have holds because it doesn't. The purpose of that product isn't to really have hold, it's more to add moisture to your curls. So personally, I use that with the Wetline Extreme Gel on top, and that is probably one of my favorite combos. So if you guys are interested in trying anything from Moroccanoil, this product, the Curl Defining Cream, is amazing. And also, since we're on the topic of Moroccanoil, another product that I highly recommend that I use just about every day is the Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. This product, I love it. I have used it for everything with wet hair, dry hair, everything. I love that product so, so much. I've done videos of me scrunching out the crunch with that oil. And believe it or not, Moroccanoil is one of those brands that I used even when I straightened my hair. That's kind of how I was introduced to the brand, and my hair has always reacted so well to it. It adds so much shine, it adds so much softness and moisture. Like, my hair loves anything Moroccanoil. But those are 2 that I definitely recommend to pick up from this sale because Moroccanoil products are kind of pricey, but they're definitely worth the coins because they're quality products. And the next product on the list is the Ceremonia Mascarilla de Babassu Hydrating Hair Mask. Now, I haven't done a Ceremonia review on this channel yet, I don't think, but I have already tried all their products and I have a lot to say, good things, but some products I'm not super fond of, but majority of the products I really, really loved. This brand is Latina owned, Latina and woman owned, by the way. So I have a special spot in my heart being that they were the first actual Latina hair care brand at Sephora. So love that, and I hope that they're not the last because we need more. But that mask, anything with the ingredient Babassu, my hair just reacts really, really well to. So when I saw that that mask had Babassu very prominent in the mask, I was like, yep, this is gonna be a good one. And that exactly is what it is. Love that mask. It's super moisturizing, has a lot of slip, and I definitely think that you would love it as well. But I will be doing a review on Ceremonia so you guys can see how the products work in my hair. I have footage that I filmed for the brand. I might be able to put something together so you guys can see how each product works without me having to refilm it. So I might be able to do like a voiceover sharing the products and how it works. I'll see what I can do because I feel like I should come up with something. And the next product on this list is the K18 Biomimetic Hair Science. It's the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I have just been introduced to K18 within the last few months. I was a little hesitant at first because I already personally really enjoy Olaplex. And I'm like, I don't need another bonding cream. I don't need anything. I don't need that. I'm good. And I do know that Olaplex lately has been getting some backlash, but personally I haven't had any issues, so I'm not going to hop on that bandwagon. Olaplex number 3 is actually on this list as well. So since we're on the topic of like bonding and hair repair products, this is definitely one of them. But the K18 product really has a lot of slip, and it actually works really nice underneath a lot of my products. So I've recently been using the oil that they just dropped, and I just started using the leave-in molecular hair mask. Really like it. Again, it just sits underneath my products and it mixes well with a lot of products. I will say that the goal of me using this product, since my hair is fairly healthy, it does have some like minuscule damage, of course, like from external factors being the sun, you know, temperature. There's nothing that you can really do tying it up in buns. I don't have any like chemical damage or things like that, but like water damage, ends are really dry and in desperate need of a super duper trim. So with that said, I've been using this product to just keep my hair healthy overall and just to continuously keep my hair healthy. So the more you use it, the better it is for your hair. So I've been dibbling and dabbling with this brand and really liking it so far. So let's see how it goes. If you guys haven't tried it, I definitely recommend at least giving it a shot and see how you feel. They have a mini version, and then they also have like a full-size version, even though I find that the product size is super small, but I feel the same way about Olaplex. I think it should be bigger, but now they do have a bigger version, but the standard size is like this big. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of makes me feel away because I'm like, are you thinking about thick curly hair girlies at all, or what? And the next products on the list actually came to me by surprise. I was minding my business at Sephora one day and I was like, you know what, let me try some products from this brand. So I have ended up loving the Ouai Detox Shampoo. I love the scent, first of all. It smells very clean, very fresh. It's one of those shampoos that you would want to wear like after a long day at a beach so your hair can smell fresh and nice and clean. Like, I just love the scent. This really strips your hair from all the gunk and buildup and whatever is in your hair. It is a clarifying shampoo. It's supposed to detox your hair, but it's not harsh on the hair. The product also contains gelatin agents. Gelatin? I've seen this word, I just don't think I know how to pronounce it, but it's supposed to help remove like the hard water deposits from your hair. So if you're somewhere in an area that contains hard water like me, this product really just helps strip out all the impurities and the buildup and the gunk that comes from having hard water. Hard water is actually really harsh to your hair. If you guys have been feeling that maybe your water has or could be affecting your hair, there's a really good chance that it could be. It's very important to have a filter in your home. So I do have a filter in my bathroom for my shower head, but you know, in the past I never really noticed, but curly hair will tell you everything. Let me tell you, curly hair will not mask a single thing. If my hair is not happy with something, it'll straight up tell me. The product also contains apple cider vinegar. I didn't know that. Actually, you can't smell it, you can't even feel it. But it's supposed to help exfoliate and help with dry scalps as well. So if you are someone who suffers from dandruff, this shampoo could be good for you as well. So definitely check it out. I have heard that it's not color safe. So if you do have color, I obviously don't have any color. It's my natural hair color. But if you do have color in your hair, maybe stray away from this particular product. I think they do have color safe shampoos as well. I did actually purchase their shampoo, and I think I purchased their shampoo and I think their conditioner if they have one, and their hair mask. I did like their hair mask. I don't think I would purchase it again because I've tried other things that are more affordable. And the conditioner, the curl cream wasn't bad. It mixed really nicely with the Wetline Extreme Gel. So if it's gifted to me, I will take it, but I don't think I personally will go and purchase it. Again, there's so many other affordable products that I feel work just as good. But if you had to choose something from that line, I definitely recommend the Detox shampoo. It's super good. And the curl cream is really nice. So if you want to try that, definitely give it a shot. For me, it didn't really have as much hold. So I already have a ton of products that don't give me the hold, but give me the moisture. So I didn't think it was necessary to spend the money again. But it's not a bad product. I did like it. And the next thing on the list is the Bread Beauty hair cream. I am obsessed with that product. Again, it's another product that just gives me a ton of moisture and mixes amazing with the Wetline Extreme Gel. It's one of those wash and goes I can get almost 7+ days out of as long as I take my time styling. Super moisturizing, smells really nice. Black owned and woman owned, which we love. And yeah, overall, really like the product. Definitely would purchase it again. I have purchased it, but I've gotten it a lot in PR, so I haven't had to. But if and when I run out, I will be definitely purchasing another one. And the next product I'm going to share is the Pattern Beauty. It's the Transition Mask. Let me tell you guys, of course I am not transitioning. As you guys can see, I have a whole head of healthy hair. So I did pick up the mask thinking that I picked up the treatment mask, but it was actually the transitioning mask. And, you know, I was like, okay, can I use this? Like, is there something, like, is there a particular ingredient in this that doesn't? But I was like, you know what, let me try it anyways. I think I filmed a whole YouTube video on it. So you guys saw my reaction in live time. That mask, amazing. It's like a gel formula. So it's not creamy, it's nothing. It's just like a clear, looks like a gel. So you actually apply it just like a regular mask. And let me tell you guys, the moisture and the definition that was left in my curls, unlike no other. Definitely worth the coins. It is $25, but it comes with a good size. It comes with about 15 ounces, which is more than the average hair mask. Definitely check it out. Definitely check it out. It is worth the coin. And another product from Pattern that, since we're already on the topic of Pattern, is the Pattern Styling Cream. Let me tell you guys about the styling cream. You could purchase this product and it'll last you, I don't even know how many wash and goes I've gotten with one tub. Like literally over 10 wash and goes. I'm not even kidding. The way that this product spreads, you don't need a lot. So this is the true definition of a little goes a long way. Like I scoop in maybe like a dime size and emulsify it, and let me tell you, it works. Like it is so nourishing, it's moisturizing, and it mixes really well again with the Wet Line Extreme Gel, which is my favorite. This gives my curls like such definition that I absolutely love. So if you guys have thought about trying anything from Pattern, the transition mask and the styling cream, amazing. Another hair mask that I tried and was absolutely obsessed with is the Mizani Moisture Fusion Intense Moisturizing Hair Mask. When I tell you guys, this is on the top tier of one of my favorite masks, because the moisture that is left in your hair once you use this product, the second that you apply this to your hair, you just feel instant softness. You feel it, you can just imagine it. It is just such a great product. This was sent to me in PR a while back. I haven't restocked because, again, I've been trying so many different things, but I'm actually gonna pick it up during this upcoming Sephora sale. So it's in my cart and I'm gonna be purchasing it. But guys, it is so good. Mizani is also very slept on. That Moisture Fusion line, super good. Shampoo, conditioner, everything is so good. So definitely check it out. There's also another line from the Mizani. Let me see which one it is. That's also really good. True Textures line. That line is amazing. Their shampoo, their conditioner, shampoo and the conditioner from the True Textures line. I'm actually styled right now with Mizani. I'm using their True Textures styling cream, I believe, and the styling gel. And that's all I have in my hair. So there's no wet line. This is simply Mizani. My hair absolutely loves it, so check it out. And lastly, I put this one last because it's the most expensive thing that I have on this list. But my next recommendation, if you don't have one yet, is the Dyson Supersonic Hair Blow Dryer. I feel like right now, if anything, is the perfect time to purchase it. So depending on your tier at Sephora, you could either get 10, 15, or 20% off of this hair tool. So say you're a Rouge, that is the perfect time to pick up a Dyson hair blow dryer. I love the blow dryer. I'm not gonna lie, it actually damaged the other day, and funny enough, it's actually here. So it actually damaged and I was upset about it. But of course, I know, I'm trying to bring it over. Of course, I know that something that's being used all the time, especially the way I use a tool like this, because my job is my hair and creating content for you guys, I use the blow dryer a lot. And it started to act a little funny. I was a little bit upset because they're not cheap. So I actually registered my device when I got it in the mail. The first time I got it, I registered it online just to make sure that I don't miss out on the warranty. If you guys didn't know, these blow dryers actually come with a 2-year warranty. So mine was acting funny. I messaged them, told them what was happening, and they were like, all right, no problem. They just told me to send mine back, and they actually sent me a new one today. So definitely recommend. The customer service was amazing. Like when I tell you that I didn't have to even fight. I thought I was gonna have to fight somebody because I was just like, I just got this. I feel like I just got it, even though it was like a year ago, but I'm like, I just got this. Why is it acting up? They were telling me that I have to just be more consistent with cleaning the filter and just the regular maintenance stuff. I just have to be better with. But my brand new one's the same exact colorway that I had before. And yeah, they sent it with all of the tools and all the little pieces and stuff. So I am super happy. Again, the customer service is amazing and the tool is actually really good. I personally am a Dyson stan and probably always will be. It truly does cut my drying time. Like I know people are always skeptical on the fact of, does this blow dryer actually work? Yes, Dyson is not paying me to say this. So I will be straight up with you guys if it was not a functioning tool. Also, it's super expensive to be out here saying just buy it, just buy it. I personally feel like it's worth it. But do you need a $500 blow dryer? Absolutely not. There are other blow dryers that work just as good. It has special heat technology that will help protect your hair versus damage it. It's gonna show you different ways on how to use it. Again, I don't straighten my hair, so I'm sure if you're straightening your hair with it, you may see some damage, but the way I use it as a diffuser, I feel like I get great results and I haven't had any damage. But it is worth the coins. Definitely think about it. If you've thought about it and you needed a sign, this is it. So yeah, guys, that is all for my recommendations for the Sephora sale that's coming up. I do know that it starts today. Today is Friday. I'm hoping to have this video up by the weekend so that way you guys can start shopping. I know it's about a week long, so I'm gonna get this video out as soon as possible. I am gonna be trying to save as much of the content that I did film already and see what I could put together for you guys. But I promise I did not disappear because I didn't want to be here. I have really been trying to film, and I don't know, the universe was just not in my favor about filming. I don't know what it is with the audio, what was happening. That normally does not happen to me, so it was a little weird that it was happening. But it is what it is. I'm gonna be making more of a conscious effort to be posting more because it used to be a part of my routine to film a YouTube video, but now with all the other platforms I have to keep up with, I just neglect YouTube. And like I've said in multiple occasions, I actually really enjoy this platform and enjoy speaking to you guys, connecting with you guys. And yeah, I am going to make a more conscious effort because I do miss YouTube and I miss you guys and I miss giving you guys the content you want to see. Since you guys haven't seen me in a while, feel free to comment down below things you want to see more of or things you want to see from me. Again, I'm going to be sharing more vlogs and stuff with events and things that I've been doing, what I've been up to lately, travel, all of that. I'm also going to be selecting some people who are actively commenting on my content and share and just engage in all of my work. I'm gonna be selecting a few of you to send some surprise giveaway boxes to. I have so many products. It's getting so out of hand, and of course I want to give back to you guys. So I'm going to select a few of you. So if you guys want to be seen or picked, make sure that you're engaging in my content. I'm gonna add all my social platforms as well in the description box. Go ahead and follow me on there as well. The more I see you, the more chances you get to win. I'm gonna be picking a few. I think I'm gonna pick about 2 or 3 in this video, depending on who comments and who's engaging, because I see you guys. You guys think I don't see you, but I see you. Yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss another video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.